How to make someone miss you. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. It's true in every relationship we have. Are you trying to make someone notice your presence or make your absence felt? You often feel like you don't matter to the ones you love. More often, you feel like your presence is taken for granted, and you want to somehow remind them of your worth without having to say so in words. Whether you want to test someone or remind someone of your role in their life, making someone miss you requires a strong decision. Whether it's your crush, your ex, or loved ones, we'll help you make them miss you in 10 easy ways. Number 1. Detachment. It's terrifying to think that you became close to someone, then you go back to being strangers. One of the easiest ways to make people miss you is keeping your distance physically. Spending so many years with someone makes you more accessible, which means the less chance they have to miss you. This may take some effort on your part, emotionally and physically, but you also have to make space and time for yourself apart from them. You could tell him or her that you need to take a vacation on your own out of courtesy. It may sound lonely now, but we know you're going to have fun on the next suggestions we have on this video. Number 2. Go active on social media. When you intentionally want to make people miss you, social media would be a big help. Don't pay attention to the newsfeed just yet. Be the center of attention this time and create posts. Don't deactivate it unless you're going on a social media detox. Get your gadgets ready and fill your profile feed and story of a new you. The next tips we have for you are activities that will make them downright want you back. Are you ready? Number 3. Become someone you know they would miss. Post selfies and activities you know you'd enjoy with him or her. Only now you get to do it by yourself. Go on an adventure and tick off something from your bucket list. The idea is for you to have fun, reminding yourself and them that you are more than the person they used to be with. As soon as they see this post after you detach, it will leave them missing you right away. Number 4. Flaunt your OOTD. Look good. They'll miss telling you how good you look and that they can no longer see you up close and personal. Wear a new style, stuff you know they really love to see you in. That is more powerful than you think. Number 5. Post throwback photos. Facebook and Instagram make it easy for you to share your memories. From your own post and friends' posts where you are tagged, easily repost them on your feed with one tap. Keep your caption composed whenever you post it. Number 6. Reconnect with other groups of friends. It ain't hard to reach out to old pals. Make time with high school friends. Reach out to long-lost relatives or former workmates. Invite them out for dinner. Make it memorable, and then let them be the ones to take photos. Ask them to upload them and tag you in them. Let these photos and videos be visible on your profile. Bonus points if they post it with heartfelt captions. This way, you're reminding the person taking your presence for granted who you were before you even met. Indirectly introduce the people you've been with to that person. Number 7. Have fun. I'm not telling you to have fun pulling back. Ultimately, having fun is the key to maturity and making time for yourself instead of finding your worth from other people. You're allowing yourself to grow as well. You're not staging a show on your newsfeed, you're doing it for your own good. Number 8. Limit your presence. You've been actively posting but not responding to their text messages or comments. Now you're setting boundaries. Let it be this way for a while and let it sink in. You don't want to piss them off either. Simply mind the limit responding to them. Don't fully engage in conversation if they reach out. Holding back the urge to respond to them right away could be challenging. Hopefully, it will make them realize how much they are missing. Still there? Here are some bonus tips. In this special case, we consider you might be thinking about your ex. Number 9. Utilize your absence. Assuming you're past the 3-month rule, your ex has gone through the same difficult missing you phase as you did. If you leave him or her alone, he or she will surely remember the good times and miss you. This might be the right time to patch things up and return together for good. Notice when I say might be the right time, as it will depend on how you approach the situation. Send him or her proper signals and efforts, otherwise they will get over you. Number 10. Play it cool and catch up. After treating yourself better, try showing him or her value. Send him or her a card on his or her birthday or during holidays. Start working with subtle affection. Just do this if you're planning to win your relationship back. Photos of you in their feed, whether it's a throwback photo or happening at the moment, will make them see how great your life is. The more they'll regret taking it for granted, or worse, leaving it. They'll want to be a part of it again. When you seem to be having fun, it will remind them of the times you used to share. It'll make them miss you endlessly. Are you now ready to take the risk? Subscribe to After School Psychology and tune in to our next video. We'll give you tips on how to know if someone really misses you.